Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a proper CV for a student, or if you are looking for any job or anything. So I'm going to type in the website where you can make free CV. Professionally you can make your CV where in this website. So I'm going to click on it so you can see a lots of free samples and everything. So that's the website where you can make a lots of CV, resume or cover letters for if you wish to. So you can choose whatever you want to make, and there's a pricing for you as well if you want premium one. So obviously you need to sign in if you are new here. So I'm going to show you some sample of CV templates where you can just edit your details. Everything is made already. You just need to edit your details, personal details, and some experience or skills level that you just need to put on it. Apart from them, nothing else you need to do. It's the design and everything is already made. You just need to put your details. So that there's some CV templates that you can see, and some of them are premium, which is you need to pay if you're looking for premium one. But but for my suggestion, what I do is I use the free one, which is better. It's not bad than compared to the premium one, obviously. So always, if you are looking for free CV or templates or resume templates, that you can go to this website and you can find lots of free templates where you can use your details. Everything is made already. And some cover letter, if you wish to, you can just check it out. Just you need to, obviously you need to change your details or according to your personal. You have to personalize. So that's all today. I'll make another video maybe next week. So get in touch please, and please subscribe my channel.